Hello, good morning everyone. Another new class, and I'm your rhythm setter. Again with something new. What's that? So let's see what is our new topic for today.
Alright, so now we are going to learn about interface. Well, so what is it? Interface means a way or a platform from where we can communicate with our computer. And it is not only about us. Different parts which are connected with computers such as keyboard, mouse, camera, microphone, all these can communicate with computer. And only for that, computer can take signals from us and can give us the desired result. Well, now see some technical words about interface. An interface is a platform where two or more separate components of computer system can exchange their information. And this exchange can be between software, computer hardware, peripheral devices. Now maybe something in your mind, what is peripheral device? Yes, peripheral device means other computer components or the other computer parts or the machines which are connected with computer, such as microphone, camera, keyboard, mouse. These are the peripheral devices. Or maybe through humans, even we are also communicate with computer with the help of keyboard and mouse and the combinations of this. Maybe sometime within computer, software and hardware, they will communicate in between them. Maybe sometime we communicate with computer with the help of some hardware equipments. That means that machine can help us to interact with computer, just like a media. You may have seen many types of science fiction movies where you can see this such screen where you can see people are directly communicating with computers through this type of device. Here what you can see, a man sitting on a chair with some mechanical instruments, and those mechanical instruments can read that brain easily with the help of some software and hardware. So this is working like an interface in between humans and computer. Well, these are from different movies, but all these are not fixed. These are all coming true today. Most of these technologies are available today. This is called AI, artificial intelligence. Next, operating system. Why suddenly I'm saying operating system? Because when we will talk about interface, then operating system is only way to communicate with any computer system, because it can give us that such interface to communicate with computer. Maybe we can communicate with computer with the help of our voice, with the help of our touch, or with the help of our mouse. I mean, we can click on something and computer will respond on behalf of our click. Or sometime we may type something from our keyboard, and on behalf of that, computer will react like that. So here operating system can give us different type of interface, and these interfaces are mainly two types. One is CUI, that means character user interface, and another one is GUI. On GUI we can see one laptop like structure where we can see some colorful things which is very much user friendly. That means anyone can understand that system very easily. But in character user interface, there is no image, nothing is there. Whatever the thing we want to do, whatever the thing we want to share with computer, we have to type that. Just look at this and you will get some idea from here about CUI. Well, now let's see how character user interface can work. If we'll talk about GUI, then imagine if we want to know about the present date and time, then we can see it here. At the right side of the taskbar, within the notification area, all date and time, everything is visible. But if we want to know all this date and time through character user interface, well, now you can see the black and white screen where you can see only few letters, few words are written only with some characters, some special characters I must say. Here if we want to know the present date, what we have to do, just need to write DATE. So this is our date. If we want to know the time, then we have to write time, and this is the time. So in this way we can find out anything, we can do anything within character user interface. So this is the CUI. So CUI means a method for interacting with the computer that displays a fixed set of rows and columns on screen with monospaced characters and a single font. Now what is monospaced characters? Monospaced characters mean, look at the screen at the back, what you can see on some blue screen, look at all the letters. They all occupy equal space. Each letter occupy equal space, and these such writings are called monospaced characters. So what we have learned from CUI, if we want to communicate with computer with the help of CUI, we need only keyboard, and with the help of keyboard we just need to write some commands. Now GUI, that's mean graphical user interface. Right now on the screen we can see one smartphone, and within this smartphone we can see a lot of applications. Here we can see clock, camera, mail, and how we can judge these applications with the help of some icons. Now what is icon, we'll coming to this point, but let me tell you first. We can see on the screen some small pictures, and here the name is also written just at the bottom of that picture. These are the icons, and with the help of this icon we can access that particular application, such as we can see here the clock. When we will touch on that clock, we can see the date and time. Even any type of task what clock can do, we can do there, such as we can set some alarm. These are the tasks what we can do there. So let's see some technical words about GUI. A GUI is a graphical user interface, and it is a system of interactive visual components for computer software. Now what is interactive visual components? Interactive visual components mean some attractive visual components what we can see, such as on our touch screen we can see different applications icon, and those icons are 3D. That's been very much attractive. If we look at those icons, then we want to use that. And what we can see within GUI, we can see different colors, we can see different size, even the visibility. That's mean different type of animation also we can see. Animation mean movements. So this is the GUI. Now icons What is icon? Icon means some small pictures what we can see on our screen, not only on the desktop. Maybe it is written in your book, some small pictures what we can see on desktop screen. It doesn't mean only on the desktop screen. Even in some other application also we can see these icons. And when we can see some icon with an arrow, those are known as shortcuts or the links to program or files or folder. That means with the help of those icons we can operate that particular application. Now what are these? Just on the screen, look at this. Look at this, some technical words about icon. Icon is a small picture or some graphical representation of a program or feature or file which helps the user to navigate a computer system. And here are the icons you can see. These are the popular icons what you can see on your smartphone also, just like Google Chrome, Firefox. These are all our most popular icons what you can see right now. These are the icons, and with these icons you can see some arrow. When you can see some arrow with some icon, that means it is a shortcut. Now what is shortcut we'll discuss later. Well, look at the next. Now we are going to learn about taskbar. What is taskbar? The long horizontal bar at the bottom of the screen. If we are using Windows 7 or Windows 10, I mean any Windows based operating system, then we can see this taskbar at the bottom of the screen. And as the name is given as taskbar, so whatever the task is going on or whatever the task we want to do, all those notification, all those tasks, we can see it here. But except this, there are several options. It is not only the one option to start any task within our computer, but this is the basic option. If we want to start any task within our computer system and we are using Windows based operating system, then we should use this taskbar. So let's see few parts of it. Now just look at the screen and you can compare taskbar which is given at the top along with the parts. First, from the left side there is a start button. That means whatever the task we want to start, we will start from here. Next, quick launch icons. As the name is given as quick launch, so all those icons what we can see within the small area, we just need to click only once and that application will open. That's why the name is given as quick launch. And at the right side there is notification area. We can see different type of notification over there, and the whole bar is called taskbar. So let's see in detail about the taskbar. First, from the left we can see start button, where we can see at the left corner of the taskbar. So if we will click on the start button, what will happen? Let's see. We will get one menu list. It is called start menu. And what we can see within this menu, all the applications which are installed within our computer system, different type of system related tasks, to manage those tasks, different settings, all are available within the start menu. Next, at the right side we can see the notification area, and what we can see within this notification area, different type of system message. That means our computer system will interact with us through some message, any important message regarding any updates. If we want to increase our volume level within our computer system, we can control it from here. We can check our computer system is connected with internet or not. We can check the status from here only. Along with, we can check date and time anytime within the notification area. And one small part is there just at the right corner. If we want to go to the desktop from any application, then we can click on that part. and directly we can go to the desktop area. Next, here we can see Windows 10 based taskbar. So what we can see here, few difference, only graphical difference is here. That's mean only the outlook is different. Task remains same. Here also, whenever we will click on the start button, the start menu will appear. You can see on the screen, along with different menus. As the Windows is updated here, so few more extra menus or extra tasks we can see here. Not more that. So these are all about our graphical user interface. That's why we can see some colorful icons, colorful background, some pictures. Everything is clear to us. And we can easily understand which icon for which purpose. Such as if we'll talk about weather. Here we can see the weather icon. There is the picture of a sun. So we can easily judge that this icon may work for some weather report. So by this way we can judge anything with the help of GUI based system, and this GUI is the most popular, so we are using GUI mostly.
So hope these are all clear to all of you. But still, if there is any doubt, any question in your mind, you can write your query through the subject query, and I will reply to you.
So no more today. See you soon in the next class. Till then, take care, stay home and stay safe.